Hello everybody, I'm going to be unboxing the RICOH 2. On the back it says SC2. Hopefully I keep it inside the camera. I got this new tripod I'm trying out. This is the unboxing video and maybe setup. Came just like this in the mail. Quick start guide. Just tells you to charge it. It's nice to give you a little QR code to scan to find the app for it. Here's the app for iPhone, it looks like. Android is right here. You have to pause and zoom up on it if you want to look at it. And there's no instructions on the back. That's nice. Although this camera is very complex, I would expect some type of manual. Maybe it's further down. There's the device itself. I'm going to put it to the side until we examine everything that's in the box. A little bit of packing. Looks like a sleeve for it. We'll get to that at the end. Oh, here we go. A manual. That's it. It's in the box. Micro USB. Felt kind of big. I had to open it. Didn't quite understand why it was so heavy. It had a big brick on it. The manual. Quick user start guide. Another quick user start guide. Tells you all about it. Download the tour app, and then it gives you another QR code to scan. If you want to see this, again, pause it, screenshot it, and zoom up with your 2 fingers. And all that's in different language. And you got no language yet. Important messages to customers. I'm sure this just means don't kill yourself using it. It's nice they don't use the back. That's it with that. Here's the device. Beautiful lens. Button right there. No button on the back side. A port to screw in your stuff. I'm going to use that, and it's going to extend it down so I can still use a charge cord. This was not included. This is just something that I'm playing around with. There's the indicator area. Nice. This side tells you a little bit about it. 5 volt, 5 watt. Vents on the top. I think that's for your microphone. Charge port again. There's a serial number. The back is really nice. It's very glossy. I didn't expect it to be glossy. Over here we have what model number it is, the mode, timer, Wi-Fi button, and on and off. It's kind of like a pearl white. It's beautiful. Looks like you're supposed to slide it in the round part up there. I think it also cleans the lens when you put it in, which is nice. you can almost have that always hooked up. And then when you're ready, you just pull it out. And it cleans the lens while it's in there. It's pretty nice. Again, this does not come with it. This is just a razor that I have. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's lightweight. You have to watch my setup video. Thanks for watching. Okay, let's do the setup. It was called RICOH Tours before, but I scanned their QR code and it took me to this app. So I went ahead and installed it. Pretty simple. This is on Android. I'm gonna be setting it up with Android. Got my device right here. Can put it on top of its little protector. It's very scary because you can scratch the lens pretty easy. Okay, so I'm gonna open the app and just follow through with whatever it says to do. Now this is in real time. I'm not speeding it up, slowing it down, pausing it.
Computer says no.
One unread notification. That would be from them. You can view samples and tips. And that's it. They just drop you right in, don't they? I'm assuming the bottom right would be to add one. Connect via wireless mode. I'm going to push that button. Oh, that ain't the power button. This is. I'll push that. And there we go. It's on. It's got a Wi-Fi thing flashing. My camera's making it flash like that. Do that weird little line. I'll go back over here and see if there's any cameras. Unregistered camera. Let's click on that one. There we go. It connected so stinking quickly. Shows that it's running 6K. It has an internal hard drive, so I just push the button where it says 360 there. There's my tripod. Yeah, I'm doing it on the floor. I'm at someone else's house, so it's a bit... Well, there's no camera at all there. It was that easy to connect. Wow, that was pretty simple. I guess that's the setup video. Thanks for watching. We'll get to the plane and all that next.